husband is just getting home from work very soon. He gets off at 11. And he told me that he ordered a camera to to start a YouTube channel. And I'm going to prank him and tell him that I want a divorce, because I know this is something really important and something that he wants to do, and it's a dream of his, and that I just think it's too much pressure. And so let's see how it goes. God forgive me. But I love to do pranks, so, and if we're gonna have a YouTube channel, you know it got to have some pranks. So let's see how this goes. Hey babe.
How are you?
Good, how are you today at work?
What you doing? What you doing?
I just need to talk to you.
So what happened now?
Do you want to sit down? We can have a talk.
Yes.
So, I know you ordered the camera.
Yeah.
And you want to have a YouTube channel, but I think it's just too much pressure for me. And I think I want a divorce.
What want a divorce for?
Because it's just too much for me.
Why? What happened? Oh, you just...
It's too much pressure. I don't think I can do it.
Really?
Yeah, I know you got the camera ordered and everything, but...
You wanna take a minute and rethink it?
Rethink what?
About the whole divorce thing.
What do you want to rethink doing the YouTube channel?
Well, if you don't want it, it's okay with me.
Okay.
But this was a decision that we had planned, babe. Right, so it was a decision we had planned, so
I know, I just wanted to talk to you because I thought that this was really something really important for you, and it was just playing on my mind. I was like, I don't think I can do it. But I know this is like your dream and something you really want to do. And
and what? Let's cheer up, baby. Like, I don't get it. Like,
I just
you
wanted
just
to.
want divorce now, like.
It's a prank. 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 I'm just practicing for a channel. I would never divorce you. That was our very first prank that we did for our YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be doing this. There's going to be some funny moments. There's going to be some moments he's probably going to want to kill me. But it's all going to be for fun. It's all for pranks. Hope you guys enjoy our channel, and hope you have some good laughs and some good entertainment. First of all, we want to put God first in everything we do. Give him all the glory and all the praise.